In this video, I'll show you how to load paper in your Brother HL-L2405W printer. This printer is able to hold up to 150 pages at the same time, so you won't need to reload it very often. The first step is to open this lower drawer right over here. Stick your finger over there and simply pull towards yourself. Now this is how the drawer looks, and by the way, you can remove it completely if you find more comfortable to load paper with the drawer on the side. You're gonna notice there is these green plastic latches like that. Depending what type of paper you want to use, we may need to move them. If you're going to use letter size paper, and I think most people will simply want to use this printer with regular paper, well, we'll need to move this green latch simply by, you see, pinching it and moving it in this position. And we need to bring it, this part over here, to where it says LTR. This is for letter size. If you want to print on legal paper, which is a bit longer, you need to bring it till LGL on the top. Or if you want to print on smaller paper, well, just stop at the appropriate line. So I'll bring it until, you see, it's right beside LTR in my case. Same thing with this one. There is small markings over here. It's hard to see with the light, but the letter size and legal paper has a line that is right over there. So pinch and move it until it's great. It's like this. Take your stack of paper, make sure it's aligned, and simply drop it in this opening like that. Don't need to push it, don't need to do anything fancy. Now, gonna notice on this side, this icon where you see a line with some arrows. You should never load more paper than this drawer can contain. So never go above the red line. If not, the paper may be jammed in your printer. Then take the drawer and simply put it back. And this is about it. Thanks for watching. If you want to get paper, ink, toner, or even this printer on Amazon, I'll put links down below. Every time you go through them, you support my channel tremendously, since I get a very small commission from every sales. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, and I wish you a very beautiful day.